Okay, so now I have installed Chrome OS on my old Windows laptop, so now it's a Chromebook. And as you can see from the video while I installed it yesterday, it was a kind of buggy experience to install it. But I don't think it's the Cloudready image that I installed problem, because I think it was because I'm Swedish and I use Swedish language. When I followed the guide when installing it, I choose my native language, Swedish, and also a Swedish keyboard. But every time I did that, it got some syncing errors and changed back to English. So I decided to change to English, but still keep the Swedish keyboard, of course, and then I could finally install it and sync my profile. So that problem was gone. But then I saw some very ugly graphical glitches instead when using Windows. And by that I don't mean Microsoft Windows, I mean Windows in Chrome OS. So while working in Windows, sometimes I had large graphical glitches, so I couldn't see the text below it or images and so on. So and sometimes when watching YouTube videos, I got a green screen and all that, so it was very buggy when it comes to graphical glitches. And I still have graphical glitches, but not so much anymore, so they are a bit better, but I need to get rid of those, so I don't know what to do yet. But still, with all these glitches and bugs and so on, in the beginning, my first experience with a Chromebook with Chrome OS was actually great. I like the speed. It's so incredibly fast to open all the Chrome apps and all that, so speedy. And I like the split screen view, so you can have two apps at the same time open and so on. And I think the battery life on my old Windows laptop, the Fujitsu Lifebook, is kind of great with Chrome OS, because it looks like I have around 6 hours or so, because I'm almost down to 50% now, and it shows around 3 hours. So I think it could have around 6 hours, but I need to do more and use it a lot more. So I will come back after a few days when it comes to what I think of the battery life. So again, even with all the problems, I actually like using this Chromebook. One thing I really miss, I started to write and blog in the excellent Stack Edit Markdown editor for Chrome. And then I realized that I miss Text Expander a lot, because I have built up so many snippets in Text Expander on my Mac and iPhone and iPad. I have a really huge library and use it to link up my text with links to my own search engine and my blog posts and all that, and doing code for embedding YouTube videos, images and all that. So I miss Text Expander a lot, so I will check if I can find anything for Chrome that looks a bit like Text Expander and can be used as Text Expander. But I don't think that will be possible, because it need to run in the background, an app that runs in the background all the time, to be able to use Text Expander snippets. And I don't think that's possible on a Chromebook, so this will be a huge problem for me. So, but I will check if I can replace that way of working while writing and blogging with something else. But this Chromebook experience, this Chromebook experiment will continue some weeks, probably more, to very much see what I think about Chromebooks. Okay, bye.